Luke, wake up. Wake up, Luke.
Who are you?
Oh, good. You're okay.
Where are we?
I don't know. That was pretty strong. I almost thought we'd been caught in the planet storm.
Wait, that's right. You were trying to... Ow.
Stop. Don't try to move so suddenly. Are you injured? Where does it hurt?
I'm fine. What I want to know now is what the hell happened? And who are you?
I'm Tyr. It would seem that a hyper-resonance occurred between us.
A hyper-resonance? What's that?
An isophone-induced resonance. I didn't expect you to be a seventh phonus too. That was careless of me. That would explain why the royal family is protecting you.
Ah, shut up for a second. I don't understand a thing you're saying. Well, say something.
First you tell me to shut up. Now you're telling me to talk. Let's save the discussion for later. You don't seem to know anything. Talking here would be a waste of time.
So what are we gonna do now?
I'll escort you back to your manor in Batikal.
How? We don't even know where we are.
You see the sea just over there, don't you?
So that's what the sea looks like.
At any rate, let's head out of this ravine and down to the coast. If we can find a road, there should be carriages passing along. We should be able to find a way back.
And just how are we supposed to get to the sea from here?
Stop and listen. You hear that water flowing? There's a river. If we follow the river, we should come out to the sea.
Huh. Is that how it works?
Let's go.
Okay, we're back with more commentary. Just a moment or two. Yeah, I was just searching just to make sure if there was any items. We will be going back to this little area, the Tadaro Valley, later on, so, yeah. Okay, here we go. Cutscene.
Monsters.
Monsters?
Here they come.
You've got to be kidding me! Ah!
He starts gaining, like, courage and all that other stuff later on in the game, and then it's all, haha, yeah, beat me, I'm better than you, and all that other stuff. Also, I was just, there we go.
Too easy.
Just sort of messing around with the controls a little bit. Also, this game works on the grade system, so let's see how much grade I can get by the end of the game. During each video, I'll be posting how much grade I've either gained or lost, and the amount that I've had so far, so, yeah.
Phew.
That'll be
that
fun.
wasn't so tough.
Nice little assignment for myself,
Don't relax
I guess.
just yet. Look, there's more.
What else? What else?
If you come into
Must
contact
be
with
just
monsters
about
like that,
done
you'll have
in
to
just a
fight
bit.
them. Be careful.
Think you know everything, don't you?
Yeah, don't you? Well, to him, maybe, but... Oh, here's the skit. The other skit. Basically, during all these skits, there's no voice whatsoever. None whatsoever, so you just have to read them. I'm pretty sure there was someone that tried voicing all of them, or a couple of people. I can't remember exactly who. But there is a place where you can look at the skits again. I forgot exactly where. But we'll run into the person when we do. So, let's see. So, hey folks, till next time, I guess, till next time folks, more Tales of the Abyss, more fun, more action, and more Luke. So, see ya.